The market theme. The good news is that media reports suggest the US and Iran have reached a framework deal to halt the conflict. Our call of the day: expect Nifty bulls to regroup as easing geopolitical tensions and cooling crude oil prices could revive risk appetite at Dalal Street. Washington and Tehran are reportedly working on a 60-day memorandum to extend the ceasefire and gradually restore energy exports from the Persian Gulf. The proposed framework also includes reopening the Strait of Hormuz and easing restrictions on oil shipments. Bottom line, Nifty may aim to end the week with a bang, but confirmation of massive bullish strength only above the 24,157 mark. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Wednesday's sluggish session, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs 1043 crores while DIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 3821 crores. Sentiments are likely to be bullish for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are still suggesting some massive rebound play. F&O June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index is hovering near 16.13 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, had slipped near 96.02 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.17 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.99. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.75. Midcap Nifty is at 1.12. Nifty outlook. Nifty bulls are likely to be everywhere on hopes of Iran peace deal. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 23,907. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,775 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,157 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,800 and 24,100. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 75,868. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,300 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 76,900 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 75,500 to 76,500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 54,854. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 54,351 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 55,700 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 54,500 and 55,500. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. Hopefully, happy days are likely to be here again at Dalal Street. WTI crude oil futures tumbled to around $89 per barrel. The Strait of Hormuz handles nearly 20% of global crude oil and LNG shipments, making it one of the world's most critical energy routes. Please note, oil prices have now corrected more than 16% in May after witnessing a sharp rally during March and April. Stocks in spotlight. Q4 FY26 results. Watch Friday, 29th May 2026. Asian Paints, Natco Pharma, Glenmark Pharma, Ipca Laboratories, BEML, Swan Corp, Gujarat Alkalis and Chemicals.